Hello everybody, it's Bruce here with a short video that's going to give you some tips on what to do when you get an error message when you try to run your Python code. So I have a very simple program here on line 3. I've defined it as the main function. I'm asking a person to enter their answer and I'm assigning it to a variable called answer. And then I'm using an F string to try to print out what the person typed in. Now, you as a beginner are probably like, okay, cool. That code looks rock solid, right? So when you go to run it, right? When you go to run it and I type in the answer, of course, is 42, you get a message at the bottom here, right? And you're like, wow, that's a lot of stuff. And then you start reading this traceback, most recent call, last file, all this stuff. And let me give you a little hint. Start at the bottom of the error message down here where it says name error. Name, ANSR, is not defined. Did you mean answer? So right away, if you read bottom up, right, it's going to give you a lot more information than if you try to read it top down, all right? And then, it'll tell you what line, right here, in what function, right, what's going on, right, or what it's finding that's not correct. And my last tip to you would be, notice right here on line 4, you see answer, and you see it in, at least in my Visual Studio Code, in my color theme, it's a light gray color. And if you look over here within the F string, right, where I typed obviously the variable name wrong, it's showing as, this white colored text. Now, this is what you should pay attention to. What that is telling you is that that variable answer hasn't been used anywhere else other than it's being declared here on line 4. Okay, so if I were to type it in correctly here, answer, right? See what happened? Do you see how the variable name here got brighter? Okay, so that's it for this short video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe, as you hear me always say, to the YouTube channel, to this YouTube channel, and give it a smash. Smash that like button. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. It means a lot. Take care.